Alright guys, day 2. Today we are going to Universal Studios. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
First thing we're going to do is go on the studio tour because we've been waiting to do that. We're so excited to do that. It's going to be the kids. Yeah, we'll do Jurassic Park when it warms up. It's a little overcast outside right now. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, we just got in. Entrance was chaotic. The lines were so long. We're gonna do our first attraction here. So we're gonna go down to the lower lot and check out the studio tour. You guys excited to do your first ride here?
Yeah.
Hold on, buddy.
What the flip?
Oh no, oh no.
It'll be the location of a new. So the rain here is just sprinkles above the Tram line out of his knee. Watch out.
Car 3 is the best part.
I got something in my mouth. That was disgusting.
That would mean that the probably caused by the
Surprisingly, I have my mask on and I still.
In our secret spot. We're having a few friends over. It's a little messy, but it's all good. The more the merrier.
We're going to be in a high-speed chase right now. It's going to be fun.
So is the bus gonna go fast?
What you doing? This is the race day after party. And where the other? Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Lenny, Roman, we're up. Trying to move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
Can I go on the
We're going to go on the Pets ride. And then, so what happened on the Tram tour? Did you like the Tram?
No.
Wait, what? Really? How about you, bud?
Thanks to you, I don't like rides.
You didn't like the Tram ride? Why? It was too shaky? Too many special effects? Too scary? You didn't like it, buddy?
Nope. Not even a bit.
My name is Gidget, and this here is...
Nobody, do not learn my name. We will not be friends.
Just kidding.
Nope.
Come on, Molly. We can't just ignore them. They probably... Oh, a fly. That's got my focus. Hi. Do you need any help?
Oh, you can look through all of them.
Yeah, I was trying to, I was
Look at how real this kitchen is. This is like a legit kitchen.
I was pressing on the things to see if they would open.
Oh my gosh.
Not biscuits. I was pressing on the letter things.
Oh, look at him.
Because they think a superhero. Can you imagine?
They are all super adorable, except that one. Yikes.
Well, that settles it. You guys are all sleeping over.
Wait.
We're gonna have a slumber party.
We can't.
We'll play tug of war. We'll tell spooky stories.
What?
Oh, I'll go first.
That's the pet store. Now I made it my personal mission to get all of you stray puppy dogs adopted, and I will not let you down.
Hi, everyone.
Guys, we don't have much time until the pet store closes.
And in dog years, that's even less time.
Don't worry, if there was danger, my buddy senses would warn us.
Look at my puppies. What puppy are you? What puppy are you? Oh, look at that.
You're so cute. Please, please, please.
Yeah, please.
So we just got off a Secret Life of Pets ride, and that was the best ride ever, right?
The bad thing about it was it actually smelled like your cardboard box actually smelled like dog food.
It did have a scent to it. It was weird. We were pets being adopted. I don't know. So far so good. Well, okay, the tram tour wasn't the best, but I have to say, Secret Life of Pets like redeemed us, right? It was a better experience for you, better than the tram. Yeah. Okay, well, it's hot out here, and we're gonna go try and get on a few more rides. Mom wants to go to Harry Potter World, huh? Do you want to go with me?
Well, I don't know if you like it.
All right, well, we're gonna go check it out. Bye. Banana. Thank you. we are in the middle of the day. We're having a lunch break. It's been a long day, lots of walking, really tired. These kids are troopers. This is a big place and it's a lot to walk around, but we're having a good time, right guys? Are you having fun?
Not really.
You gotta decide who you like the best. Just say your name, however you do it. We were gonna attempt to go on Harry Potter, but Dad was kind enough to go first to see if we would like it, because I like thrill rides, but not too crazy.
And depending on his report, I'm glad he went on it first.
And I love Harry Potter, and it was my special request to come here for the Harry Potter world. And I was gonna go on the ride first, and Dad was gonna watch the kids. So glad he went. Come on, your mouse off. Tell us about it.
No, I'll tell you.
No, tell me about it.
I'll tell you.
Just tell us about it.
I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
Do not go on that ride. If you are motion sensitive at all, you'll be throwing up your guts.
Oh my God, my equilibrium.
Thank God she cannot go on that, because for one, you sit in seats, you cannot see the person next to you, so they're helpless.
Oh,
you
like
cannot
Bud?
hold your kid,
Oh my
you
God.
cannot see your kid. And that thing takes off, and you're on this thing, it starts spinning you up and back and all over. At one point you're doing 3D stuff through the screen, and it go school spiders. No.
I'm gonna do a summary of our trip here. It might be for mostly our kids aren't quite ready for it yet. I had a good time. I saw a lot of cool stuff I haven't seen yet, but I don't know if it's for the little kids.
I know, like Universal's like for kids like 13 and up.
No, it's fun. I think that we just weren't ready for some of the adventures that they had here. But overall, I mean, was it fun though to see any of the stuff?
Yeah, kinda.
I think so. Hold on, let me see. Let's ask the other two how they liked it. Jeremy, well, you went on one thrill ride. We didn't hold you back.
That was a thrill ride.
That is crazy. So
I did not expect that.
How about you? How was your day?
Good, besides too much. That Harry Potter roller coaster and the other one.
Yeah, there was a smaller Harry Potter roller coaster. I thought that was super cool, but I guess you weren't having it.
That was literally like the only roller coaster I've actually ever enjoyed.
Yeah, it was cool. I liked it a lot.
Uh-huh.
All right, well, we're gonna go get a treat. Let's go.
We're going to the Minions Cafe. Is that what it's called? Yeah, to get that float. It has like a banana like candy bananas in it. It looks super good.
Okay, you gotta get your treats, huh? Always with your treats, and then we're out of here, right, buddy?
Yep.
You ready to go, Missy? Yeah. Dad went out with a bang. Well, thanks for taking
Luckily,
one
I
for the team.
did.
I'm glad you did. I was gonna
That
go
would've-
alone.
That would have been it. There would have been no ride
I
to
would've
Disney,
cried.
no nothing.
I
We would have
would've
been
cried.
going home.
I'm glad you went. Better you than me. All right, let's go, guys.